Hi, I just wanted to go through a few of the markets, or the markets that we got in today or that we're in today. We got out of a couple. We've had a decent day today. We're up about 2,300. One of the trades we put on today was the British pound. I got long the British pound here. Actually, I did an intercept order on the blue light, which worked extremely well. I put that order down here and then got in blue light here, and it shot straight up. So that trade is doing very well. It's up 486. As you can see here, I've got a trailing stop down here following the blue light on the lower side. Now, I may bring that stop back up. The markets are closed, but let me see what I can do. See if it'll let me pull that stop up. If it does, I'm going to bring it up here. It won't let me because the markets are closed. The euro, we got in the euro today. That trade is up also. Let's see where we are on that one. I got in long on this one. Where did we get in long on this? When it shot up here, I got long. I've got a trailing stop on blue light, and that trade is up 867 for today. So it's been a very, very good trade. And that's the 60-minute chart that we're looking at. The yen, I placed a trade on the yen when it came up here and it broke support. It jumped up and it took out this resistance that we have up in here, which was very positive. And it's backed off a little bit. I'm trailing the blue light, or should be trailing the blue light down in here. Let me see if I can still do that. Trail the blue light on a 60. There we go. All right, and save that. And so we're up $142 on that one. The peso, I've got an order on the peso, which is kind of interesting. I did a Fibonacci. It doesn't look like the trade's going to work out, but what I did a Fibonacci. And let me go over here and put proportional width so it'll show up a little bit better. I did a Fibonacci when the market was coming down this morning some. It dropped, and I thought it would come down here and hit this 50. So I had an order to buy that. I'm going to change that a little bit, and we'll bring it right up above the 50 here. And I've got a stop. I'm going to bring that right down below the 62%. So I've got a limit order sitting down here. If it does come down and hit that 50, I'll get filled. And my risk on that is very, very small. It was $150, $200 risk. There it is. So I've got a very small risk on that. And I'm betting on Fibonacci on this one, obviously. Crude is up. I'm bullish crude. I sold a put back here 2 days ago, 3 or 4 days ago. Back on the 27th, I received $570 for that put, and that put's currently up about $270. I could buy that back for $300. But crude is up. It's hit a Fibonacci level, which is kind of concerning, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. Gold, the markets are closed, so we got weird bid-ask prices here. I can assure you that this call, or this put that I sold here, is making money, not losing money. It's certainly not worth $3,000. Right before the market's closed, we were about break even on that one. Nat gas, I got stopped out on nat gas. I lost $200 on nat gas or something for today. I'll look and see here in a second. But I bought it right before it hit this support area, and I was betting the support was going to hold. I didn't lose much on it, 200, like I said, about $200. Let's see what our closed were for today. Those are open. Let's see. Closed. Closed positions for today, $36. So nothing much. I took profits of $2.98 on the pound and got back in. And like I said, I lost $2.25. Open positions were up. You have to take out gold and add about $1,700 to that. So we're up about $2,300 for the day in reality. The Dow, got in the Dow today. Thought the Dow was going to rally, and it did. We got, well, I didn't get in today. I've been in that trade for a couple of days. But when it broke resistance here, I bought the Dow. I've got a trailing stop. Actually, this was a common number, which is kind of interesting. So the place I put my original stop was down here, right? Which is a common number. Common numbers are where you have resistance on one area, and it came down and made support on the other side of it. You can see here. And I'm sure you've heard support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. And so originally my stop was here, and now that stop is trailing the blue light. And we were almost stopped out on that today. I got a $410 profit locked in on it. Corn, I bought corn when corn came down and tested these lows over here. And then I started back up, and I bought that, and I put a stop down below it here. I moved that stop today because we had crop reports coming out today, so I moved it, risking $160 on that one, and that one is currently up a whopping $37.50, it looks like, right? But overall, we're up about 2,300 for today, and up about 8,000 for the month. Now, all these trades go out. This is were trades that were put on in the live webinar room, by the way. And those trades go out through Telegram. And Telegram is an application. It's a chat application that sends out charts and graphs and market updates, anything else that I want to. Shows up on people's computers, on their desktop with a notification, as well as their smartphones. So anyway, those were the trades that we did today. And I just thought I would share a few of those with you. And take care, and I'll see you in the next Trade Mentors video. Take care. Bye-bye.